इतके पैसे बोल
अभी आगे में जाके मिलो, आगे में जा रही है। जी ना वहाँ सड़क लग गया था ना। साइड ही पिज्जा
पैसा करो नहीं ना सर, नॉट अराउंड द प्रेसिडेंट।
कौन मेंबर पत्रा रेडी किती गाडी 45 रे ती पुढे आलो अरे विचार ना का बाहेर 45 सोड रे 45 कोण ती चल बरं ती 45 कोण पण अरे बा हम पार्टी हमारे एक मिनट
सुशांत साइड में हो।
We all united 16.
किती झाले गव्हर्नर
We explained to the governor. Governor has also explained. Now we are going to give a fresh memorandum to the governor that what Mr. Manohar Parrikar government has done is totally murder of democracy. Mr. Manohar Parrikar can't face defeat. At least with me he should not have done. If Mr. Manohar Parrikar is the MLA of Panjim today, it's only because of me. In 1994, if I had not stood independent, Mr. Manohar Parrikar will not have climbed the steps of the assembly. Please make this clear. Mr. Manohar Parrikar will not have climbed the steps of the Goa assembly if Surendra Furtado had not contested as an independent candidate.
What governor has given the
Governor has said that he will study the matter, and we showed that all 16 councillors were together. And we are going to give one more representation. But Mr. Manohar Parrikar has to hang his head in shame before his voters of Panjim, because he wants to reserve the mayor and deputy mayor's post. So what people of Panjim also saying, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, enough is enough. We also want to reserve the MLA's post in Panjim.
What about the elections?
Elections? We have already won. I am the mayor. Bento is the deputy mayor. 16, where is the question? I'll be taking over the position there. Because the commissioner did not come. Commissioner has insulted the people of Panjim because we have been voted by the Panjim citizen, and he had the audacity of not facing us but sending the notice to the peon. What does Mr. Sanjit Rodrigues think? What could the government of Goa at the most do to him? Transfer and made him a director of government printing press. No, Mr. Sanjit Rodrigues was high-flying post for better reason known to him. In spite of the people and we all thinking that he was a bright, honest and capable administrator, he has put his head in shame today by succumbing to pressure. When they've been told to bend, he was crawling today. And like a coward, he ran away from his cabin.
अशें घेवया मरे सारको पुलीस बी फाटल्यान आहा म्हणून
आणि सांगला आपण मायनॉरिटी
Suddenly you postpone it with some excuse is very undemocratic.
So basically, whatever has happened is totally wrong and against the
That is
constitution.
exactly that's what I say. It's undemocratic.
So how would you take up this matter now?
Now we have taken it up. See, now it is up to the concerned people to take further legal action.
So will
What
the
have you informed
Congress
the government,
continue disrupting the House? Will they continue with
No,
storming the well of the House?
not, we don't want to disrupt the House. We wanted to express our.
But will you all continue?
See, I mean, it's the violation of the law. When the election process is a democratic process.
And what has been
Can't
the
be violated.
governor's say on this?
No, he will look into it. We have to, being the head of the constitutional head, we have to bring it to his notice.
Thank you, sir. In the response, what has been your say in front of the governor? And what
See,
has
we have tried to bring our feelings. We feel that democracy has been murdered today in Goa. Amendment is sought to be brought now. The Supreme Court of India has held that whenever the election process has been set, the ball has been set in motion. No force in this world can stop it in between. So what the government today is trying to do is totally undemocratic. Now because we could not raise this matter, they would not have allowed us to raise this matter through a calling attention motion or through a adjournment motion because there was no time. We have disrupted the proceedings of the House to express our disgust to the murder of democracy in Goa. We expect the government to now at least wake up from slumber and understand the public sentiment against the move that they have done. There are so many corporations in the country which are not held by the ruling party. The Delhi Municipal Corporation is held by the BJP, whereas the Chief Minister of Delhi is of the Congress.
Even Bombay.
The same goes with Bombay. So there are so many precedences where the corporation or the local body is held by an inimical political party or by the opposition. So why is the Chief Minister making it such a prestige issue to somehow, by hook or by crook, take control of the CCP?
No, but
And Surendra Purtad, whom they are trying to make, is a very senior corporator. He has been in politics before Parrikar came into politics.
what is, the
So what
say-
is his problem?
What has been the say from the governor?
The governor, I feel, is convinced that what has happened is also equivalent to murder of democracy. But representation will follow, and then perhaps we expect action from him.
Mr. Mansara, we would like to know from one thing, like the independent MLA Vijay Sardasa has been with you all, but at the same time, one of your MLA, own Congress MLA, is missing with you all to show the support with you all.
Maybe our vehicles which we were coming with was full. He maybe not having a place, so there is a reason he must be left behind. He may come later on.
And how would you take up this matter now?
See, as I said, no. Today is a murder of democracy, and that also murder of democracy by the Chief Minister and by the MLA of Panjim constituency, the very constituency which he represents. Now, important part is here. Today, the people of Panjim will put their head in shame because the way how the government has acted and the Chief Minister in particular has acted against us. I think there is some order which has come. Yeah. There's an order on the what is the grounds, he says. Now ground is very I don't know what is the election to the post of mayor, deputy mayor, the corporation of city of Panjim. The government has received various representation regarding reservations to the post of mayor, deputy mayor in the corporation. The matter is under examination by the government, and therefore it is desirable that the election to the post of mayor and deputy mayor in the corporation city of Panjim will, which are scheduled, be postponed till the matter is properly examined and an appropriate decision in this regard is conveyed to the corporation. What does this say? First of all, there was no reservation during the election time. When elections were held for the city of corporation, there was no reservation, except there was a reservation where ladies and gents were concerned. That's all the reservation. Where scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, there were no. There was a representation made to the election commission then, stating that reservation should be made. But Election Commission had turned down their request, saying that the census has not been ready, so it will be difficult for them, in fact, to make the reservation at that given time. Now this is a big joke actually on democracy, which they say. Now you just tell me, did the government wake up at the last moment to think that deputy mayor and the mayor, that government is looking into, that certain changes should be done? Why they couldn't do it when their mayor was elected? That is the time they should have stalled this and said, we are not electing our mayor, first we will set this house in order. So where is it?
So do you think that he doesn't want Mr. Surendra Purtad to be a mayor of Panjim?
Now, as I always said, no, Mr. Surendra Purtad here has challenged the Chief Minister that he should resign, vacate his seat right today and contest and see what is the will of the people today. So he is just afraid of Mr. Surendra Purtad because he feels that he will be the candidate.
He's gone.
Yeah. Can you tell us what the governor has said?
Governor has heard to our demands, and we have told him what this government has done. That all of a sudden when 10 o'clock we were called for voting, a circular comes saying that the Director of Municipal Administration has said that representation have come from the public. We would like to know who are the representation when there is Talegaon and Panjim constituency together in the CCP. How many representation have come? Who is Mr. Manohar Parrikar trying to bluff? In the CCP Act, there is nothing which says there should be reservation for mayor and deputy mayor. When I supported them last time, why did he not have the reservation? I am asking Mr. Manohar Parrikar, fight me properly. Come forward like a brave soldier. Don't hit around the bush. And I am throwing an open challenge to him. Resign and we both contest for Panjim seat. If he wins, I will retire gracefully from politics forever.
So what is the course of action after this?
Now, course of action is we have met the governor. We are again going to give one more representation, and they will see the other course of action. Meantime, the Congress party has stalled the assembly twice. He being the MLA of Panjim, he doing like this is not correct. If he feels that his constituency deserve some scheduled caste or scheduled tribe reservation for mayor, deputy mayor, I am saying that even the MLA should be let it. Even he should be reserved. That's why, since he'll be reserved, let him step down immediately.
Do you think that he's scared of you because you being mayor then?
Yes, his main thing is that if I'm the mayor, I'll do development. Development is my mantra. I've shown in my ward, without being a mayor, MLA and minister, I have done wonders for ward number 9 of Miramar. That whole of Goa knows about it. And even Mr. Manohar Parrikar appreciates me from behind. He tells his friend. But I don't understand what made him do this. I always held him in high esteem. I thought that he was a statesman. I thought that he will accept defeat gracefully. He has put himself to shame in the capital city. People will show at the right time. Now Lok Sabha is round the corner. That time people will show where the BJP stands. I will go to every part of Goa and expose Mr. Manohar Parrikar, as he tried to expose the other party, saying that there's corruption in the last tenure, that there was 36,000 crores scam of mine, and now he's saying only 3,000.